Hi everyone, this is Karishma. I am a psychiatric nurse and today we are going to see a topic in our Nursing Administration and Management Unit 1. So we are going to see about administration. We always hear about this terms administration, right? So what we understand about this topic? So administration word derived from a Latin word which means to look after or to care for something. So I'll just explain you the simple meaning and definition of administration. Administration is the managing of a people and the resources to get the things work, which is the goals and objective of an organization. Let's understand in such a way that we are going to a hospital. The main goal and the objective of a hospital is to treat a patient and to provide a quality care to a patient, right? So here what will happen, everybody, all the administrative staff including nurses, doctors, all the administrative representative will work together so that the quality care to a patient can be provided. So what is administration? The meaning and the definition of administration is, it is the managing of a people and the other thing so that the goal and the objective of an organization can be achieved easily. Okay, so let's understand with other example. A College of Nursing. Okay, A College of Nursing has opened a new course which is GNM, right? So A College of Nursing has opened a new course which is GNM. Now, to become a successful of this course GNM, what all the strategies and the plan that the A College of Nursing should have? The plan A should be, all the members should work together. All the members should work together. All the teaching faculties, teaching methods should be provided. And the A College of Nursing should have a better clinical posting hospital. So they should have an affiliation with the hospital. So clinical establishment is also required. And why these all strategies is required? So that more admission should happen for this course which is newly launched by A College of Nursing. So I hope you are clear with this. Administration is all about managing the people and the resources to achieve the organization goals and objectives. So for example, if A College of Nursing has launched a new course which is GNM, and now to become a successful of this course, all the teaching faculties will plan a good teaching planning method, and they will have a clinical affiliation with a good hospital. They will have a proper lab facilities in their institution, and all the administration members will work together so that more admission will happen. And this will be a successful launch of a course. So I hope you guys are clear with the administration. It is a very simple. Administration is managing of people and things so that the goal and objectives can be met of the particular organization. Now we will see the elements of administration. This is very important, guys, for you. Mostly they will ask these questions, elements of administration, and they can the elements of administration and also elements of management is same. So we can understand the elements of administration with simple mnemonics, which is pause, D, call, which is pause, D, call. P stands for planning, O stands for organization, S stands for staffing, D for directing, C for coordinating, C for controlling, and R for reporting, and the last one, B, is budgeting. I hope guys you have understood about the definition, meaning and the elements of administration. We'll see you in the next video in detailed explanation of elements of administration. Any suggestions, any topic which you need a help from us, comment below in our section. Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye. See you again.